नहमदुहु नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. My name is Dr. Naushad Khan, belong to Agriculture University Institute of Development Studies. I am working as assistant professor in this department, but a few months have been passed that I was retired from this job. So I have reviewed the CPEC, download the data from the net and review it, and now I want to share the information with the student, particular Agriculture University and the nation. Everyone has known the CPEC project. It is the big project which is run by Chaina and Pakistani government. This CPEC project major objective is that how to connect China with one belt road to the South Asia. In South Asia, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran. There are so many countries, but they also try to connect with Europe. They want to improve the business of China. So this project started from the Kazgar city of China, and which will be ended to Gwadar. Through this project, different road will be made, which will be connected Lahore, Peshawar, Karachi, Afghanistan, and Gwadar, the Arabian Sea. Through this way, they also do the business with the Arabian Sea. So China has also made first a Silk Road. Through this way, silk business will be happened there. But now they have started the CPEC project, and this project major objective is that how to mostly benefited the China as well as the Pakistan. But the most benefit will be go to China with this project, because their machinery will be used for road construction, as well as they will use their companies, so their steel will be used, and their expert and skilled person will be used, and they will earn the money. So some payment will be due by Pakistan and some payment will do by China. So the huge benefit go to China. Through this way, China is a very developed country, and the economy in the world is second. USA is the top. The China economy equal to 20 billion. But the USA economy equal to $25 billion. So China also try how to create a power in the world to cover the whole world. So for this purpose, they have started the big project in 1915. They have signed with the government of Pakistan. At this time, NAWAZ Sharif was the Prime Minister of Pakistan. They have signed the documents, and they have started the work. But during in the era when NAWAZ Sharif go down from the Prime Minister. So then Imran Khan come. So there's some disturbance between this project also come. So now they have spent 20 billion money. They have prepared the road. They have made the solar plants, and they have also prepared wind generator. Through this way, they produce the electricity. Because in Pakistan, the deficiency of electricity is more, and every time the load shedding problem is present in Pakistan, and because of this, if you increase the industry in Pakistan, so it is impossible to run the industry due to shortage of load shedding. So they try to make one belt road and connect it with the South Asian country, particular in Pakistan. There the Lahore come, Karachi, as well as the Arabian Sea, which meet with the Gwadar. They have also made the building in Gwadar. They have made different railway road from Kashgar to Pakistan. But still the project is incomplete, and they have signed 45 billion rupees, but only 20 billion rupee has been spent for construction of building. So according to my view, the project is good for Pakistani community. If they launch the industry there, through this way, the employment will be generated, and the people will work there, and they will earn the money, and they will not go to other country of the world. So this is the best chance. But during this period, the China will also give some money on that. They give the loan, and then they will not return the money in time. So such type accident was also happened in Sri Lanka. They have prepared the port, but the Sri Lankan people have not paid the loan to China. Because of this, they have leased to this airport for 99 years to China. If the situation in Pakistan, if they give money, they give loan, and when the Pakistan come under debt, therefore if they not pay this debt, then again they will lease to China. And so the huge benefit will go to China. They will generate employment for Chinese people, and they will not provide the jobs for Pakistani people. Project is that good, which play a great role for the socio-economic development of a country. They provide the benefit to the nation, and through this way they decrease the poverty. But on the other side, China industry is very strong and Pakistani industry is very weak. So if the China industry supply the goods to the market, automatically they will dominate the Pakistani industry, and their majority industry will be closed, and majority people will become unemployed. So therefore it is necessary for the government, if they sign anything with any country of the world, so they will analyze in depth to see everything. What will be the benefit of Pakistan and what will be the benefit of China? If in the long run, in the short run, they will get some money, but in the long run, if they not provide the benefit to Pakistani nation, so as like East India, when East India come, they have started the trade there in Pakistan, as well as in subcontinent, in India, and they, in the long run, they have captured to subcontinent and they govern over 100 years on subcontinent. So now China is the superpower, America is the superpower, and Russia is the superpower. When anything prepare, so some country have benefit and some country have no benefit. Because of this, they attack on one another. The America does not want to run this system in Pakistan. But on the other side, there is India. It is also opposed the China. So also they not want to run this system, the CPEC in Pakistan. Because there is Gwadar, and sometime the Daku come there and they have attack on the people of Gwadar, and some people have been killed. So the China try is very best, and they want how to get the power in the world and how to overcome Russia and how to overcome USA. So these are the big power, and they not want to increase the power of other, because the USA economy is very best, and then the second economy is of the China. So they are not want one another benefit. When this system CPEC will be completed, then it will be connected to the whole world, and the industry of the China will be reached to Europe, as well as America, as well as other country of the world, and they will dominate and trade over the whole world, and they will earn the money more, and their per capita income will be increasing, their GDP will be increasing, and they will govern over the whole country. So China thinking is very well, and it also a benefit for Pakistani people if they establish industry for Pakistan, not for China people in Pakistan, and they generate the employment, and they give these jobs to Pakistani people, not to China people. If the China people come there and their company are working, and they not give the job to Pakistani people, because of this, the social welfare of the Pakistani people will be affected. So I have shared this video for information that you know what is CPEC. CPEC, C mean China, P Pakistan, E economics, economic corridor. China, Pakistan economic corridor. So therefore, I have shared this video with you. Please share my channel and also subscribe my channel, and because later on when we prepare other video, they will also reach to you, and you will see and you will get the information, because every project has benefit and every project has also disadvantage. So this is the government duty to impose very good expert on these analysis and check the situation in future what will be happen to Pakistan economy. Wassalam.